communication is right above cash flow.
That's right.
Because if you can't sell, there's no income.
That's right. I mean, if you...
You can always view insights from renowned financial experts Robert Kiyosaki and Warren Buffett on the path to financial prosperity. There are about 14 assets they highlight as potential avenues to wealth accumulation. By taking a closer look at these assets and understanding how they can contribute to your financial journey, you can gain knowledge that might set you on the road to greater financial success. Stocks and equities, dividend-yielding stock. Investing in stocks and equities, along with dividend-yielding stocks, is a strategy that can lead you toward building wealth. When you invest in stocks, you become a part owner of a business, sharing in its profits and growth potential.
Well, the answer is I do believe in dividends in a great many situations, including many of the ones, companies in which we own stock. The test about whether to pay dividends is whether you can continue to create more than $1 of value for every dollar you retain.
This can be rewarding to grow your wealth, especially if you choose companies with solid track records and promising future prospects. Such stocks take it a step further by offering the potential for a steady price increase and providing you with a steady stream of income through dividends. For this, Warren Buffett supports investing in businesses you understand and believe in. On the other hand, Robert Kiyosaki highlights the significance of financial education and understanding the market before diving in. Warren Buffett emphasizes more on investing in stocks, especially those that pay dividends, as this can be a smart move in your journey toward financial independence. Remember, it's essential to research, diversify your investments, and have a long-term perspective to make the most of this asset class. Precious metals. Gold and silver. Investing in precious metals like gold and silver is another area to consider on your path to financial prosperity. These metals have been valued for centuries for their rarity and enduring worth. Gold and silver often serve as a hedge against economic uncertainties and market fluctuations. Gold, for instance, has historically been a store of value and a haven during turbulent times. Its limited supply and global recognition make it a sought-after asset.
Because most people in this country have not a clue that gold and silver are wealth and have been wealth through 2 world wars, German hyperinflation, the Great Depression, every pandemic, and everything the world has ever thrown at it. Over the last 18 months, the central banks bought more gold than any time in history. Why?
Silver also possesses similar qualities and has additional industrial applications that can influence its demand. Robert Kiyosaki suggests that owning gold and silver can provide security, especially when the economy faces challenges. Regarding this context, including precious metals in your investment portfolio can help diversify risk and safeguard against economic downturns. While not generating income like other assets, the appreciation potential and protection they offer can play a valuable role in your overall investment strategy. Real estate investments, rental properties. Investing in real estate through rental properties is like getting a foothold in wealth building. It's all about buying properties and renting them out to folks needing a stay. You can profit from the rent and watch your investment grow. Renting out properties is cool. The rent you collect covers the bills and leaves some extra for you. Picking the right spots for your properties and doing some homework before you dive in is super important. This helps you attract the best tenants and maximize your investment. Warren Buffett said that real estate is the land and buildings on it, along with its natural resources such as crops, minerals, or water. Immovable property of this nature, and interest vested in this. In the grand scheme, rental properties can be your ticket to making money without daily hustling. By being smart about the properties you choose and taking good care of them, you can enjoy a steady income and watch your financial world get more stable and exciting. Mutual funds and index funds. Mutual and index funds might sound like a bunch of finance jargon, but they're cool ways to get in on the investing action without stressing too much. Consider these funds as people who pool their money to buy a mix of stocks, bonds, etc. With mutual funds, you get a professional manager like a financial expert. They choose what to invest in, aiming for the best bang for your buck. Even big shots like Buffett are into these funds because they offer an easy and diversified way to invest without too much hassle. Now here's the catch. These funds come with fees, which can eat into your profits. So before diving in, make sure you check out those fees and pick funds with lower ones. And hey, just like any investment, these funds have their ups and downs, so you gotta be prepared for some downturns too. In this regard, Warren Buffett says, a low-cost index fund is the most sensible equity investment for the great majority of investors. Small businesses and entrepreneurship. Small businesses and entrepreneurship are like the adventurous cousins of the investing world. They involve starting up your own gig or getting involved in someone else's business venture. It's all about being your own boss. You could turn that idea into a small business if you have a cool idea, like a gadget that makes life easier or a service people need. But here's the deal, it's not a smooth ride. You'll need a lot of hard work, dedication, and some late nights. But if your idea takes off, the rewards can be amazing. Robert Kiyosaki often talks about how entrepreneurship can lead to financial freedom. He believes that starting a business is a great way to generate income and build wealth.
You know, if you're an entrepreneur, you have to lead. If you're an entrepreneur, you have to raise capital. If you're an entrepreneur, you have to learn how to handle people, handle rejection, handle upset, handle damage.
And he's got a point. When you own a business, you're not just relying on a paycheck. You're creating opportunities and calling the shots. Farmland and productive land. Farmland and productive land. These assets might not be as flashy as stocks, but they've got a solid place in the world of wealth building. Any acres of green fields, maybe even a cozy farmhouse in the backdrop, is more than just picturesque. It's a potential gold mine. Both Robert Kiyosaki and Warren Buffett have shared their wisdom about the value of investing in land. Buffett clearly states, buy land. They're not making it anymore. Think about it. People always need food, meaning farmers are in business year-round. Owning productive land can be a way to profit from this constant demand. Robert Kiyosaki also emphasizes the potential of land as an income generator. He points out that owning land that produces resources, crops or minerals, can provide a consistent income stream. And he's right. When you invest in land, you're essentially investing in a tangible asset that can impact people's lives. Cash-generating investments. These types of assets can put money directly in your pocket. Warren Buffett often talks about the importance of having your money work for you. When you invest in cash-flowing assets, you're creating a steady income stream. This could be through rental properties, dividend stocks, or even loans that pay you interest. It's like having a mini money machine that keeps churning out cash, helping you build wealth over time. It's a smart way to ensure you're not just growing your money, but enjoying the benefits of it too. Paper assets. Paper assets like exchange-traded funds and rental estate investment trusts offer a simple way to diversify your investments. Think of them as a way to own a piece of many different assets without buying each one individually. Warren Buffett has emphasized the importance of diversification, and paper assets can help you achieve that without the hassle of managing multiple investments. Exchange-traded funds can cover various sectors and industries, or even track a whole market index, exposing you to many companies. Real estate investment trusts, on the other hand, let you invest in real estate without owning physical properties. They often provide dividends based on rental income from the properties they own. Bonds and fixed income securities. Bonds and fixed income securities are like loans that you provide to governments or companies in exchange for regular interest payments and the return on your initial investment at a later date. They are often considered more stable investments than stocks because they offer a predictable income stream.
The risk-free weight is used merely to equate one item to another. In other words, we're looking for whatever is the most attractive. But in terms of present valuing anything, we're going to use a number. And obviously, we can always buy the government bond. So that becomes the yardstick rate.
Robert Kiyosaki highlights the importance of having a diversified portfolio that includes assets that generate cash flow and those that provide stability, making bonds an attractive option. While they might not offer the same potential for high returns as stocks, they can be crucial in balancing your investment portfolio and reducing overall risk. Intellectual property, royalties, and licensing. Intellectual property, such as patents, copyrights, and trademarks, can also be valuable for investors. Warren Buffett has stressed the significance of owning businesses with strong and defensible moats, including intellectual property rights that provide a competitive advantage. When you own intellectual property, you essentially have the right to license it to others in exchange for royalties. This can create a steady income stream over time as your intellectual property gets utilized in various ways. Like owning real estate or stocks, investing in intellectual property requires research and understanding of the market. If you hold unique ideas, creative works, or innovative inventions, exploring the potential of licensing or royalties might be an avenue to consider for generating passive income and building your wealth over the long term. Peer-to-peer lending and crowdfunding. Have you ever thought about becoming a mini bank? That's what peer-to-peer lending and crowdfunding can let you do. Instead of putting your money in traditional banks, you can lend it to individuals or small businesses online. Warren Buffett emphasizes the importance of understanding what you're investing in. And with P2P lending and crowdfunding, it's no different. You're providing a loan and you can earn interest in return. On the other hand, crowdfunding lets you invest in promising startups or projects, potentially getting a share of future profits. It's like becoming a part owner in existing ventures. Just remember, as with any investment, there's risk involved. So it's important to diversify and do your homework. But if done right, peer-to-peer lending and crowdfunding can be an interesting way to diversify your investment portfolio and tap into the potential of small businesses and startups.
When Sam Hodges was rejected for a loan almost 100 times for his budding gym franchise, he decided to start Funding Circle, which helps small businesses bypass banks to secure funding through peer-to-peer lending, or marketplace lending if you prefer.
Health and wellness business. If you are passionate about health and wellness, this could be an interesting asset for investment. As Robert Kiyosaki mentions, creating businesses that serve people's needs can be financially rewarding. The health and wellness industry is about helping individuals lead healthier lives, and it's a growing sector with various opportunities. Consider investing in fitness centers, wellness retreats, organic food products, supplements, or online coaching platforms. With an increasing focus on well-being, this sector has the potential for substantial growth. However, like any investment, thorough research is key. Before diving in, ensure you understand the market, target audience, and competition. Cryptocurrencies. Now, cryptocurrencies are a topic that's captured the imagination of many. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security. While Warren Buffett has expressed his reservations about cryptocurrencies, it's still a subject of great interest. Some investors have seen substantial gains, while others have faced volatility. Investing in cryptocurrencies requires careful consideration and research. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies have gained attention, and blockchain technology holds promise for various industries. But remember, it's a complex and ever-changing landscape. If you're considering investing in cryptocurrencies, understand the technology, risks, and potential rewards. And as always, diversification is essential. Don't put all your eggs in one digital basket. Online businesses or websites. Online businesses and websites have become increasingly popular investment opportunities. With the rise of e-commerce and the digital age, creating and monetizing an online presence can offer various avenues for income generation. Warren Buffett might not support online businesses, but Robert Kiyosaki emphasizes the potential of building digital assets. From e-commerce stores to affiliate marketing websites, the internet provides platforms to reach a global audience. However, success requires strategic planning, understanding the target audience, effective marketing, and consistent effort. Researching and staying updated on online trends and technologies is crucial to navigate this dynamic landscape effectively. Remember, online businesses offer flexibility and scalability, but also demand dedication and adaptability to thrive. So finally, we are done now with a comprehensive exploration of 14 assets that have the potential to pave your way to prosperity. Whether it's stocks, real estate, precious metals, or the exciting realm of cryptocurrencies, each asset offers unique opportunities to grow your wealth. If you found this video valuable, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and if you want to see more, here is another video for you.